If you don't have a serger and you're looking for a stretch stitch that would be a construction seam, you're looking for stitch 03 in the patterns menu. It tells us to put foot number 1 on, which I have switched over. That is a stitch with a blue bubble around its number, and so that does include engaging the IDT or dual feed. We're going to let the settings be exactly what they come up as. You'll notice it kind of looks like a little bit of a lightning bolt. It stitches forward and then back a little, forward and back a little. But that's what gives us the little bit of stretch we need when it's all said and done. One thing that you do notice is how flat this comes out, and that's because we have the dual feed engaged, and it's easily keeping the fabric evenly positioned. Let's see what it's going to look like here. So when I say lightning bolt, I do mean that, but look, it's going to have the give and the seam that we're looking for when we are working or sewing together fabric that needs to have that stretch and give.